welcome back. Today we are excited to share with you some great casual, comfortable looks for summertime, and we want to thank Walmart for partnering with us for this video. We are sharing with you items from their Free Assembly brand, which we absolutely love. Free Assembly has some great elevated basics as well as great price points, high quality pieces, lots of on-trend things as well. So we found some great looks and we can't wait to share them with you. We are going to be dressed head to toe in Walmart looks that all are budget friendly and you are going to love them.
Absolutely, and as usual, we'll have everything linked down below in addition to our sizes. But if you are new here, I'm Christina, this is my best friend Kelly. Definitely consider hitting that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on future content.
I am someone who absolutely loves the color yellow. I think it is so vibrant and happy. However, it is also one of those colors that I have to be careful with. I have to find just the right shade of yellow that really works with my skin tone, my hair color, and this skirt really fit the bill, and that is what made me fall in love with it. So I found this beautiful flutter mini skirt. I love this skirt. It comes in this beautiful citrus print, but it's also available in 5 colors total. It's a mini silhouette, but it's not too short. So this is actually 18 inches in length, which I find to be just perfect. It has a side zipper, but it also has elastic in the waistband, so it's very, very comfortable, and I just think it's really adorable for the summertime. I styled it with this V-neck cardigan in this optic white color. This is a great classic V-neck cardigan. It's semi-fitted, it's very lightweight, and it has this ribbed texture. So this is something that I definitely can see myself wearing when I'm in like the air condition, which in Florida we are always in the air condition in summertime, and I thought it worked really well with this skirt. It's a great classic cardigan, and it's also available in 4 colors. This one comes in sizes from extra small all the way to triple extra large, so lots of variety and only $26. And I styled it with these cute little white sneakers. So Christina and I are always sharing with you white sneakers that we love. This is a great, really budget-friendly pair with a little bit of a platform and a comfort footbed, so definitely a great pair. And I threw on my little circle straw bag, and I think this is just a great casual but elevated summer look.
So we received so many comments from you ladies looking for some more great casual summer dresses, so I'm super happy to find this one that I can share with you today. So this is a V-neck dress from Free Assembly in this beautiful coral color. I think it's just so pretty. This dress is really super comfortable and I think just perfect for summer, and it's only for $24. So one of the things I really love about this dress are these flounce sleeves. They're very fun and feminine. It also has a V-neck neckline in the front and in the back with also a self tie. Since this dress isn't lined, it's very lightweight, which makes it perfect for those hot summer days. And it's also available in this beautiful soft pink color and ranges in sizes from an extra small up to a 3XL. So I just styled this dress with these brown studded sandals that I also picked up from Walmart for only $16. I thought they were super cute and on trend. And finally, I paired it with this oversized circle straw bag that I actually bought over a year ago from Walmart and have gotten so much use out of. So I think this is just the perfect summer outfit, whether you are going on a beach vacation or maybe just having a casual barbecue with some friends and family.
So for the summertime, one of my favorite go-to shirts lately are these camp shirts. I love a great camp shirt because they're short sleeve, but they're a little bit more elevated than a t-shirt. I found this one in this beautiful pink stripe print, which I absolutely love. This is a rayon and linen blend little button-down shirt. So easy to wear, has this relaxed fit, and it is true to size. This one is available from an extra small to a triple extra large and is only $22. So this is a great go-to summer shirt. It comes in several different colors as well, so lots of great choices. I paired this shirt with these great pair of white skinny jeans. So these are considered a skinny jean. However, in my opinion, they have a little bit more of a straight leg fit because there's very little stretch in these jeans. I picked them up in this off-white color called Bone. I sized up to a 6 because white jeans can be a little tricky, and they did say they ran a little small, so you might want to consider that. But they are 90% cotton, so these have a very traditional denim look to them, and I love the fit because they don't have too much stretch. They're not super tight on the ankle. They give you just a really great traditional denim feel and look to them. They have a high rise and a 27-inch inseam. So great pair of jeans, available in 8 different colors in sizes from 0 to 22. Lots of great varieties. So if you're looking for a great pair, definitely consider these. They also have some little elements in the front as well as in the pockets to really help shape the body and create a very flattering fit. So definitely a good one to look at if you're looking for a great pair of jeans. And I paired those with these bow thong sandals. These are under $15 and come in 5 colors. A great little sandal for the summertime.
So I know some of you absolutely love rompers and you were looking for some specifically that were versatile, easily able to dress up and dress down for the summer. So this is one that I wanted to share with you. It's this off-white belted romper. As you can see, there are buttons that are along the front, as well as this sash belt, which I really think helps to define the waist. So I think these 3/4 wide sleeves honestly just look super chic and stylish, along with having 2 side pockets, and it also has an elastic waist in the back, which really helps to ensure just that perfect fit. So this romper is actually available in 3 other colors and sizes up to a 3XL. So I styled it with the same brown studded sandals and straw circle bag, but it can just be as easily dressed up with a cute pair of wedges or even a straw clutch. So in our spring haul, I also shared another great romper with you ladies. Now by now it might be limited for some certain sizes and some colors, but I also just wanted to link that one down below for you ladies, just because I think it's another great versatile romper for summer.
Well, I told you ladies, I love my camp shirts and I wasn't lying. Here's another one for you. This is a great one. This one is in this misty rose color, but it's actually available in 8 different colors. This has a relaxed fit with a notched collar. It is true to size and only $17. So definitely a good one. Comes in sizes from extra small to double extra large. These were definitely going quickly, so if you like this, make sure you click on it and get your size before it runs out. Such a great shirt. And I paired that with these utility shorts. These are a great pair of shorts. They're also in this same type of blush shade, so I love the fact that you could get this monochromatic look from these. These are 99% cotton with 1% spandex, so enough stretch to keep them comfortable, but a traditional denim type of fit, very true to size. These are a high-rise short with a 3.5-inch inseam and a flared hem, as well as some patch pockets. Love these shorts. They're super comfortable. Definitely a pair I can see myself getting lots of use out of. And I just paired this monochromatic look with some cute slip-on sandals and a straw bag, and I think it would be a perfect casual elevated summer look.
White is such a popular and hot color trend for the summer, and I know some of you ladies might have really loved the romper but wanted the length to be a little bit longer. I know some of you don't like to really show a lot of your thighs, so I wanted to give you another great alternative option for a great summer outfit. So this one is a white pullover dress. As you can see, the length is a little bit longer, which gives you more coverage on the legs. It has that same point collar, wide sleeves, and the side pockets. However, this doesn't have buttons along the front, and it has a self-tie versus the sash belt. So this dress is available in a pretty pale pink and white stripe print, and like the other outfits, it actually goes up to a triple XL. Once again, I paired it with the same brown studded sandals and the straw circle bag. However, you could just as easily style it with a pair of heels and either a crossbody or a clutch for a dressier look.
Ladies, we hope you enjoyed these casual, elevated summer basics, all from Free Assembly. Remember, we'll have everything linked down below if there's anything that you want to check out, and have a great weekend. We will see you next week.